Your CS comes with the headset, base, telephone interface cable, power supply, and a quick start guide with a link to the online user guide. Some models may come with a handset lifter as well. Plug one end of the power supply into the power jack on the back of the base and the other end into the working power outlet. The power on LED will be solid blue. Place the headset in the charge cradle. The charging LED on the base will flash when charging and turn solid when the headset is fully charged. Charge for at least 20 minutes prior to the first use. A full charge takes 3 hours. If your product came with an electronic hook switch cable, please refer to the setup modules in the following sections. Connect the telephone interface cable to the jack on the base and then disconnect the handset coil cord from the desk phone. Connect the telephone interface cable to the open handset port on the desk phone and then connect the handset coil cord to the telephone interface cable junction box. Place the handset back on the telephone cradle. This step is still necessary when installing an HL10 lifter, but not with an EHS cable. Press the handset lifter power cord into the handset lifter jack. Position the lifter as shown in the diagram. While wearing your headset, press the call control button on your headset to activate the lifter. If you hear a dial tone, the lifter is set correctly and needs no adjustment. Attach the lifter to the phone using the 3 mounting tapes on the underside of the lifter. For additional setup information, see your user guide. If your Voyager Legend CS came with an EHS cable, insert the cable into the base as shown. When connecting to your desk phone, please note that phones and cables vary. For complete setup information, including ideal settings, view installation instructions for your phone model at the following URL. To put the headset into pairing mode, power the headset on and press and hold the call button until you hear pairing. You can also press the voice command button and say pair mode. The light on the back of the headset will flash red and blue while in pairing mode. Now, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device and set it to search for new devices. Select PLT Legend and enter 4 zeros if prompted for a passcode. Once successfully paired, LEDs stop flashing red and blue, and you will hear pairing successful. Some phones may prompt you to allow access to contacts to enable caller name announcement. Guide the ear loop behind your ear and position the headset so the ear tip rests comfortably in your ear. Point the microphone boom toward the corner of your mouth for the best audio pickup. The headset comes configured for the right ear, but can be worn on either ear. You can replace the installed medium ear tip with the small or large ear tips provided. Use the slide switch to power the headset on. To answer a call, you can put on the headset or tap the call button once. For a mobile call, the caller's name will be announced with the option to say answer or ignore. To end a call, tap the call button. While on a call, use the volume up or down buttons to adjust the volume. To mute during a call, tap the mute button. You will hear mute on for confirmation. Auto Call Answer automatically answers incoming calls by simply putting on the headset. If you are already wearing your headset, press the call button to answer. With Auto Call Transfer, when there is an incoming call on your mobile phone and you are not wearing the headset, the call is routed directly to your mobile phone. Voyager Legend also features voice commands. Use your voice to answer incoming calls or tap the voice commands button to check battery, redial, put headset in pairing mode, and for a host of other commands. For use on the go, you can purchase the charging travel case, providing protection, storage, and an additional 14 hours of talk time for your Voyager Legend headset.